Good day, good day. Yeah, so the course PBO and Section 18A application is now out, and here is what has been covered in the course. So decide whether you need this course or otherwise. So in this course, what we have done is that I have shared with you the requirements for PBO application. I have shared with you all the requirements such as these ones. You see the requirements for that you must meet, the minimum requirements that you must meet, and also I have shared the other requirements, which are the documents, all the documents that you must have in place when you are applying for tax exemption. And I also show you how to complete not only the application form, but also the other documents that must be completed and signed. The other document is the EI2 form, the resolution form, the appointment letters, affidavits, how to draft affidavits in situations where you do not have financial statements or accounting records. Yeah, so there's a lot that I have shared, and I've also shared a lot of templates. Let me show you just a glimpse. A lot of almost each section, almost each folder or module has templates that I've shared, but I want to show you also that I've shared with you bonus templates. The Section 18A certificate template is here, the resolution letter. If you want to just apply for Section 18A approval, there is a letter to request for that. I've also shared the affidavits, the bookkeeping templates here. There's a lot that I've shared, and also donation request letters, so that you can use these ones even before you get approval. So this course is a massive one. Where were we? It's a massive course. So there's a lot that I've shared in this course. I've also shared knowledge on what you should do if you do not have financial statements, what to do when you are a newly registered organization, because I get asked, can we apply if we are a newly registered organization? The answer is yes. And then what to do if you have two certificates, you are one organization but you have two certificates, NPO and NPC. What should you do? How to book an appointment? I show you step by step. This is where you click, this is what you enter, this is what you do. In situations like this, do this, and how to avoid complications. So I also show you how to upload the documents step by step, and also show you how to organize them in a way that that is accessible to SARS. And I also share with you tips on what to expect on the date of appointment with SARS, and also what to do after the date of appointment. I also show you how to comply, how to comply with PBO after you've gotten approval. So there's a lot going on in this course. After taking this course, you will never again struggle with completing the PBO applications. Whether you're a consultant, an accountant, an NPO leader, whoever you are, this course is for you, because I did it with everyone in mind. Thank you. Enjoy.